NJ Drone Academy. We are the first drone training center in the New Jersey area, with the focus on how to become an FAA-certified pilot in command to enter into the commercial drone industry. FAA Part 107 Drone Lecture. Attend our FAA Part 107 test prep class on site at our academy or call to schedule a private session at your location. This class will prepare you for your written FAA Part 107 test. Charts, weather, regulations, and airspace are just some of the topics of the course. Introductory lesson, $50 per hour. Contact us to schedule your visit to our academy and test fly one of our professional trainer drones. For individuals and fleets. Expertise, guidance, and practice to help you in learning faster. We are happy to bring back Dan the man who is ready to start repairing drones and teaching the FAA Part 107 pilot in Command Ground School. Attend our 6 hours, 2 days FAA Part 107 pilot in Command Ground School on site at our academy or call to schedule a private session at your location. This class is a hands-on drone pilot training with our fleet of trainer drones. Once the physical flight test is completed, you will be issued a commercial pilot flight certification. Class length, total 6 hours on site, 2 days/2 sessions. Class price, $395. Multiple courses are available from commercial FAA 107 certification to advanced mapping instruction. Multi-rotor drones and flight equipment are provided by the Academy, or you may purchase your own multi-rotor drone to complete the course. Students are welcome to bring their own drone for one-on-one instruction. Along with our drone build, control, and program courses, we offer specialized drone trainings, team buildings, drone inspections, drone camps, and one-on-one flight training at our 17 acres, fully insured private facility. To learn more, visit www.newjerseydroneacademy.com or visit us in Hunterdon County, Central Jersey, just 1 hour away from New York and from Philadelphia. Email info@bytets.com.